Viking Crown Lounge, classic Royal Caribbean venue. Been around since we've been cruising on them, 20 years, or probably exist long before that.
Before no smoking on cruise ships, the Viking Crown Lounge was the smoking and cigar bar.
I used to have cigars up here 20 years ago.
Yes, it was.
It's also known as the Cosmopolitan Club. I don't know why it has two names for the same place. On this ship, you have an Izumi. Izumi on this ship does not have hibachi. It has the hot rocks and sushi. Other ships, like the Oasis class ships, Harmony and whoever else, they do have the hibachi, the grill where they chop.
I call it chicka chicka chicka.
She calls it chicka chicka chicka. We've danced many nights, and tonight, it's not going to be the silent party.
It is.
Yeah, not here.
Oh, it's not.
It's going to be I told you, it's going to be the Star Lounge.
Oh, okay.
And then here's the Suite Lounge for suite guests, which on this ship we are not, but on Mariner in a month we will be. So yeah, we did a lot of. How are you? Very good. How are you? Good, thank you. Excellent, excellent.
It's a nice, like, 270-degree view, all windows.
It's a huge, exactly.
And during the day, it's awesome to come here, and it's really quiet if you want to read a book.
Yes.
Play cards, work on your computer, whatever you need.
So I think that's all that's on this deck,
Yeah, it is.
One great thing about cruising on every ship, including Virgin, is there are bathrooms everywhere, and Laura loves her bathrooms.
I do love my bathrooms.
Everywhere you turn.
They give me a sense of
bathroom
safety blanket.
So you can drink your ass off and not feel.
Well, I mean, like if you're traveling, there's no bathrooms and you're holding it in, you can't find a bathroom, then you have to pay for a bathroom. Sometimes in Europe, you don't have the coins for the bath. Like here, it's just.
You guys watching all this drama?
It's a big thing. I have a big thing about bathrooms. In fact, so much so that like when I go to Africa, I'm even thinking of wearing Depends.
Oh, you heard it here first, folks.
So that I can just go to the bathroom while I'm on safari if I need to.
Riveting TV, riveting.
I mean,
you and Wolf Blitzer.
No, you're all good.
You are.
Speaking of Wolf Blitzer, I need some wine.
Yes. All right, so peace out for now. Catch us on the next one. Escape room set again is right up there, and sorry it's closed, so we can't show it to you. But like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Deuces.